We were driving down Alki Boulevard, and so it's just a crosswalk in the middle of a one-lane street. She pushed us all the way past the crosswalk. So if the pedestrian that we would have stopped for would have been actually not paying attention and as vigilant as he would have been hit by our car. And I mean, she was going fast enough, like I said. My uncle had his brakes on, and she pushed us a good 10 feet past the stop walk or crosswalk. And he would have been severely injured as well if he would not have been paying attention. What happened is that she had her kid in the car, and she was paying attention, turning around in the back seat, trying to pay attention to her kid or whatever she was doing, and wasn't paying attention. So that was even scarier to find out that she was paying attention to her kid and not the road, and she ended up getting in. And this was a pretty good accident. I'd say she was going at least 20-25 with no brakes when she hit us. And I got a pretty good shoulder injury. Nothing too severe. My uncle got the brunt of the damage because she kind of hit more on his side of the car. I just had to pretty much go through massage therapy and went to a few doctor's appointments and some massage therapy, and I was lucky enough to be okay. My uncle, on the other hand, has gone through several MRIs already, several doctor's appointments. I actually used Chris's little book that I had in my uncle's car, and I gave one of those to my sister as well. So now we've all got those in our glove compartments. We circled all where the damage was, the whole nine, got everybody's names, and you know what? We pretty much just followed the book, and that's kind of what we did. You guys were the first people I called, you know, and again, even though that I wasn't too severely injured or anything like that, you guys took care of me well enough the last time that, because again, with my previous lawyer, the whole reason why I found you guys is because this guy took over a year on something that Chris said was something that should have only took a week. And I felt like I was such on the back burner. And Lisa and Chris have taken care of me 100%. Anytime there's a phone call or an email, within 24 hours, and it's not even within 24 hours, it's just 12 hours later, if that, within the business day even, that you guys get back to us. And you guys take all the headache out of this. And there was way too much headache for me last time that I just, you know, I wasn't even going to deal with it anymore. So, and I recommended you guys to my uncle also, and anybody who's ever gotten injured in a car accident with my family as well. You know, I just say, hey, go to this guy will really take care of you. Hopefully I'll never need it again, but if I do, I know who to call now.